So this week in November is always traditionally our Youth Circus Week, and we've had to think about it a little bit differently this year. We're taking a show around 6 primary schools and then giving them an opportunity to try some of the skills that they see in that show. And the really lovely thing is that we're delighted that 2 of our young people from our Youth Circus, who are in the TY, have been able to join us on that. So they've had 4 days working with 3 professional circus performers to come up with a show that they're now performing in 6 schools this week. And they're also beginning to take part in sharing some of their skills with the children in each school. And we're having a fantastic time.
Today I was at the primary school in Carrick, Ballycommon, and we performed our show. Our circus show we've been working on. Working on the show was good fun, especially me and Oren's act. We got to come up with that together. Yeah, it was pretty cool. I was expecting them to be less impressed, but yeah, it was cool that they were. Yeah, working with professional tutors was pretty cool because they knew like tricks I wouldn't know. They were funny as well. So.
I think they had a really good experience, and I don't think they've ever done that before, because they seemed really happy about it. And when we were doing the workshop anyway, they kept saying, "Oh, I'm going to join the circus, this is amazing, I'm the best at this." So yeah, I said, "Oh yeah, it's a really fun time, you learn loads of stuff and you make new friends, and it's really fun." Yeah, I haven't done one before, so a workshop before, so, and I was kind of shadowing Joe, but then as I went on, I started to take more part in it and lead it more myself. I think they all looked like they had fun. They were all laughing away, cheering.